welcome back to our YouTube channel, and for today's video we're going to
Turtle Island.
yes, which is located in Zamboanguita. I think it's in Siit Pulo, Zamboanguita, somewhere there. So Daddy is still getting something. Yes, and we still have to go to Mama's house to pick her up, and also Dana. Okay, because they're going with us. Are you excited?
Yeah!
Jilla's not excited? Yeah, so let's go! Okay, so we're already here at Mama's and everybody's so noisy. My goodness. But Mama's there. Hurry up, Mother. My God, Mama won't go because it's meeting. I mean, like, she will have a meeting. So only Dana will go with us. Hello, bye-bye kay.
Oh, bye-bye.
Okay, so let's go. We're gonna go now. Okay, so we stopped by 7-Eleven to buy some chips and paper plates and whatsoever. Yes. So we will just drop. You will just drop us off.
Yeah. I'm not stopping.
Just stop. Yeah. So you will just drop us off, and then he will go straight to Nigel, which is in Tambubu Bay, with his friends there.
Take pictures of the house.
Oh, okay. You mean by the port?
Steve's.
Steve's?
Scott. What's his name? Scott.
Oh, that's okay.
I can't think of
Yes.
it.
So we'll just take pictures there of a house for sale, right?
He told me it's for sale. He said if you're not buyer, I'll sell it.
Oh. Okay. So, yeah, so we're gonna go now.
Yeah, it's a lot cheaper than it was.
Okay guys, so right now we're here in Nigel's place, which is the Tango Resort. Yes, because the place going to Turtle Island now is kind of rough road. So we're gonna ask Nigel to borrow his car, because his car is 4x4 and the car that we rented is lowered. So hope that Nigel will let us borrow so that we can go to Turtle Island. So this is how it looks like here. Yes, actually we live here for a month. When we first met. Yeah, so we live here. So this is actually the view. Okay guys, so we're almost here in Turtle Island. So that's Nigel's Jeep, and the driver is Kuya Joel. Actually Kuya Joel is the habal-habal driver before, way back when me and Dogs first met. Yeah, when we first met. So this time we will just walk down there because it's kind of slippery and it's hard to drive here. Okay, Raday? Pila siguro ng pambot pa anak kuya. Kaya nga dito.
Nang ilang ko andro. Kepilan ilang. Pamasahe.
Ikan bata pa. Ma-experience manggod nila ng sakay-sakay pambo. Ang gani, kay daghan biyang mga
makahadlok mo.
nga diri no, tsada kaayo. Pero dili man gud maunat po niya mong gikuanan jud. Sa ba dagay mi? Limot naguko.
Basig dito.
Kay di man yan ini.
Basig dito mo sa Andulan.
Murag anak dagay to sa una.
Padalagan na dito sulod.
Oh, nya karon kay murag diri naman jud ko no.
Andiri gani. Di nila ni simito mo ka ni kana. Bangag.
Kuan unta manungusog unta ng mayor ani ba.
Hana-hana unta ko na.
Kuan. Unya maghinay na pud may glakaw na landaan. Na dito ra gihapon.
Anak ko po diya alas 4. Anak ko mo ari ra ko diri stop mo losok pa ko diri.
Ha. Oo. Si puro mga bata ning uban.
Diri ko diri.
Samtok mga sakop ron. Mga dagani. Okay, so we're already here. We welcome Friday Pampo.
Asa nang pwede rin pa Dolos Tabok. Na, andi rin magkuhan ko.
Okay, so this time they're putting gasoline.
Namati ko sa muwana lang. Natas muwana. Dan, nakayos nila para mapadol.
So this is like a terminal boat. It's just, you know, we're just new here. It's never the same as before. I don't know where we started. I think on that area over there. I'm not sure. But they said that this is the only place to go now. It's been like how many years now since we came back here. Are you ready, Dai? Yes. Are you ready? Hello.
Dili man ma karga diretso di bilin sa
Bilin, obisan ko an.
bago.
Duhang ko.
Dua unsa man?
Liw, tulo ka ba?
Kamo unate.
Pwede na sila giuna.
O, dahil hari silang
Balikan ra.
balik din duha.
Balikan mo tulo.
Wala naman, kamera.
Uy, dito mo ko. Ipadala ni nila.
Kaning kuan.
Paulahin na.
Ulahiras, bibi dan. Kanisa, unyara na siya, sir.
Kunyari ko
Ah,
na hari
dara,
na bago ay
kanira.
una.
Ha? Dili, ako aras, bibi. Kaya di na, madahan. Si bibi ra, diri ras bibi na ako, Bog. Diri ras bibi na ako.
Bilin doon nas bibi sa. Bilin nas bibi.
Diri, mami ra ka, mami only. Sakay ka, mami.
Mukuyog man siya.
Dali na. Dali na, Kristal.
Oh, makuptan rin na siya.
Hindi, oro may magkuhan.
Oh, dira na siya.
Bata rin.
Balikan
Dili,
na.
balikan gani mo nang diri ra si bibi. Ibalik ra si bibi. Uban ra ka ni mami, day.
Dali, ito.
Anak ra, mami, dali. Oh, later ka with mami, ha? Okay. Bugs. Bugs. Pag video. Video sila. Sus. Laughing.
Sige mo.
Sige, sige. Thank you kay Kuya. Inara tong usa nga kuan yang cellphone ba nara masagyanan basig maka-chat ko or ang kasa ba. Thank you.
Okay.
Diara. Wala. Ganda-gandahan. Are you laughing? Are you excited? Dira raman daw. Tabok ra diya. Okay, so Tata is already here. So it's our time to ride. Okay. Okay guys, so now So Bethany, Buki, and Jel are the one who will leave first, and then me, Dana, and baby for the second trip. Yes. So Tatay said that we will just wait here instead of waiting there, because it's kind of deeper here than over there, so we just have to wait here. Okay, so that's them. So I can still see them. It's over there.